Hello everyone, welcome to the video where we are going to talk about EROFINANCE. So without further ado, let's directly dive into the video. EROFINANCE is a deflationary token designed to increase in value over time with buyback and burn option. 8% ERO is collected from each transaction and converted to Matic, which is stored in the contract. When buyback and burn is enabled, the contract purchases ERO directly from the liquidity pool, which in turn increases the price of ERO and immediately and permanently removes those purchased tokens from circulated by sending them to the contract burn address. In addition, the ERO protocol rewards its holders in USDC, which gives holders more of an incentive to hold ERO. You have already known that EROFINANCE is a dividend distribution token. So now let's tell you about what the hell is the dividend distribution. So a dividend is the distribution of rewards from a portion of company's earning and is paid to a class of its shareholders. So a token which pays out profits to its investors as dividends is a dividend token. There are multiple ways to pay the dividend in the token economy. Today we will discuss how to build these features into a smart contract. So actually, why should you use a dividend token? Dividends are standard practice to distribute earnings to investors. Dividends also create a passive income source for your investors. This will attract long-term investors and create incentives for holding tokens. So what problems they tackle in their dividend token contract? They will tackle below main problems which we usually face while building our dividend token, which is rounding error problem. When we work with multiple account transfers and divide dividends, there can be a case where we lose tokens while we divide for investors. This will be solved using a bigger multiplier, so we don't get fraction values. Getting a dividend multiple times. We also need to take care that someone can get a dividend more than one time. This case can happen when Bob gets the dividend on his token, then transfer token to another account and gets dividend again. These will be solved updating dividends for sender and receiver before any transfer. Gas optimization. There are multiple ways to update dividends for investors. One way is to write a loop and update dividends to investors' account, but this design has a problem to run out of gas. They can optimize it by using a different design introduced by Nick Johnson. So unfixed total supply. They will also create a token where total supply is not fixed and get increased when dividends get paid. Now let's show you the roadmap they have. So if you come here and see their website, you can find their roadmap. So by judging their roadmap, you can see that in the phase 1 they will set up social media, private sale, community building, website, marketing, which are all in progress. In the phase 2 they will do shilling contest. They will start their pre-sale, they will start their quick soft launch, and influencer marketing will also start from this time, and social media marketing will also start from this time. In the phase 3, you can see that apply for CMC listing, apply for CG listing, social media ads, and so on. You can check these out by coming to their website. So you see that is a great project. If you really want to join this project, I would like to suggest you that join this project as soon as possible.